聽聽我哋一班學生分享當初佢哋點樣認識到 HKICE， 同埋佢哋入學之後對呢度嘅校園生活有咩體驗啊？
呢啲雜誌裏邊，我哋都見到，有本地嘅學院可以讀到大學嘅課程，咁就嘗試一下嚟即係打電話咁樣去查詢一下啲資料啦。咁之後咁就發覺，原來都唔係好差嘅喎，即係睇到有其他大學嘅學生都有啲課外活動啊，或者上堂嘅氣氛都 OK 啊咁樣，咁就知道，原來都仲有另一條路嘅出路，咁我哋於是就揀咗嚟呢個讀 HKICE 嘅課程。
冇咁刻板咯，即係平時以前返中學，咁朝頭早8點到下晝4點放學啦，聽到個鐘。依家就比較彈性啲咯，可能會有唔同嘅時間上嘅學。Welcome to HKICE，
HKICE 嘅教學理念係要做到學以致用，就好似我哋以下一個學生完成咗我哋嘅課程之後，將學到嘅知識應用喺佢工作嘅面試上。
Like psychology, introduction to aviation, and interpersonal skills, which is really helpful for the interviews. Like I went for the Pacific interview, and the questions and everything they asked was like similar to the ones I learned in the course, and it really came to my use as I went for the second interview, and now I'm planning to do the higher national diploma, which is the BTEC, and it's from UK recognition. The lecturer our relationship with the lecturer is very close. It's just like friends, talking anything we want about any question we have as well.
學海無涯，除咗中學畢業後可以直升 HKICE 學位課程嘅學生之外呢，一啲工作過然後再重返校園嘅人士都會選擇修讀我哋嘅課程嘅。我哋嘅畢業生 Connie Chan 對自己嘅選擇就有咁嘅睇法。
咁呢個課程裏邊咧係有個一啲 finance 同埋 investment 嘅即係嘅knowledge 俾到我啦。咁我喺呢方面我都覺得即係好似學到好多嘢，咁而啱啱咁就有個咁好嘅機會啦，可以入到嚟我哋第一間公司啦嚇。咁佢係最主要係我讀書個 background 咧係幫到我暫時而家可以做到個business manager 嘅位啦嚇。咁希望喺當中嚟到係將我學到嘅嘢喺入邊嚟到運用到啦。即係我頭先提到啦 finance 同 investment 咧係佢嘅知識真係好 practical 咯。咁我哋真係能夠係喺一個嘅國家個 GDP 裏邊嚟到揾出究竟我哋嘅 theories， 我哋一啲 equation 嘅嘢係可唔可以 apply 落去裏邊咧？點計呢條數咧？咁喺個日常生活嘅裏邊真係可以會學會用嘅。咁而喺工作上面就啱啱可以用得到啦。啲Benedictine對我嘅印象嚟講就係好好嘅嚇，佢俾我一個嘅起碼最基本嘅即係個大學嘅即係一個 shot 啦嚇。咁呢張係將最基本出嚟做嘢嘅時候咧，喺個最基本嘅入場券大家都知。咁喺呢2年裏邊，我就可以攞到呢個入場券，而且亦都係我覺得學到好多嘢。
HKICE 所舉辦嘅海外大學課程，其中一個最大嘅特色就係學生可以去到當地參加畢業典禮，與唔同嘅國家嘅同學一齊分享畢業時候最難忘嘅一刻。
She take care of me, and the campus is very good. I mean, it's very big. A little bit traditional to others. Yeah, when I study in Seattle, another college, they are more modern.
一班學生將喺 HKICE 學習到嘅寶貴知識運用出嚟，為自己創業。
好似喺 FIS 咁，做緊嘅係。究竟係開成啊？咁 我哋都會用佢嚟計下我哋嘅成本啦，同埋會唔會點樣先可以收支平衡到？
仲有我哋嘅即係曾經都學過 business plan 同埋啲 marketing plan 啦，咁亦都可以用翻我哋呢盤 business 入面運用翻出嚟。
我哋嘅所有導師都係用互動嘅形式嚟教學，俾學生有一個健康嘅大學生活體驗。
通常咧，我就比較唔係太喜歡叫佢哋強記有部書嘅。咁咧，因為咧，我覺得如果你要去背咗咧，好快會唔記得啦。咁我通常咧都會諗好多活動俾佢哋，咁咧等佢哋咧就參與落去啦。咁因為佢參與落去咧，佢就好容易會記得啲嘢啦，好容易會記得啦。咁同埋咧因為其實讀書都可以好好玩嘅，咁我等佢俾佢知道咧，其實讀書唔係話好悶㗎，都可以好玩。同埋玩之中咧，佢又可以增值，咧又可以，因為第日佢哋會出嚟做嘢㗎嘛。咁我就會講好多，你第日出嚟做嘢嗰時會點樣啊？咁佢哋會有啲心機咧。
我教授聽講過説話，大學教育唔係令你開心嘅，大學教育係一個辛苦嘅教育。我就係咁講，大學教育係辛苦嘅教育，係識三樣嘢：第一，認識一點知識，知識一定俾足你㗎，係辛苦讀書㗎；第二，認識一點朋友。第三，認識一點自己啊嘛。ICE 基本上我諗同學院大學、中大講就冇分別㗎，重點係讀書㗎。
For IU, what we do is all the material is sent to us here, and all the assignments and all the coursework. So we make sure that what we're teaching here is exactly the same as at our IU home campus.
同學對 HKICE 有以下嘅評價。
喺呢度上堂會比以前中學好好多啦，即係我會覺得活動好多啦，先生好快就會解答到我哋嘅問題，即係唔會成日都掛住教書又掛書，同埋係好多分組討論咯。
我哋教學形式係用英文啦，但都會附加中文嚟解釋嘅。咁但係因為我哋考試都係用英文，咁咧就會增加咗自己每一個同學對英文嘅興趣啦。有啲唔明嘅時候，亦都可以問翻佢啦，同埋都會學到好多關於英文上面，同埋英文講方面有自信心。
呢間學校都見到有好多活動啊，例如 sport day 啦、war game 啦，咁聖誕節嘅時候就有聖誕 party 啦、Halloween party 咁啦，
好好玩嘅我自己。
係啊，好多人啊，大鬼講啊！
If you want to study in a relaxed and friendly environment and receive a well-rounded education, come and study with us at HKICE.
Come to join us!
HKICE 為咗配合全人發展，我哋喺每一個學年都會舉辦不同類型嘅課外活動。香港持續教育書院 HKICE